I hope you must be having a cheerful and positive day, and at the same time studying hard also, because your half-yearly exams are nearing, and since you are in class 9, I think you should be serious by now with your studies. Now children, for English conversation, in this video I am going to teach you lesson number 6, that is expressing possibilities and probability. Expressing possibility and probability. Now the word possibility and the probability are two different words, but in one way or the other, like in somehow they have the same meaning to it, right? But very close to each other. The meanings are close to each other. Now if we see possibility, possibility means a thing that may happen or hope to. It may happen, or I hope that it is going to be. It's like over here we can say that it is possibility that it might rain today, since it is predicted in the weather report. It is possibility. It may happen. You are not certain. It may. Like you are not sure about it, right? Now probability means something is to happen when you are unsure about the outcome of an event. You are sure, you are unsure, you are not sure about it for the outcome, but then something is going to happen. We can talk about the probabilities of a certain then we can talk about the probabilities about the certain outcomes. So these are the two different words with the meaning more or less the same. Now if we see, open your book to page number 54 and read the dialogues between these children sitting on the bed. What they are talking, they are expressing about the possibilities. So, are you going to Mehra's party? One of the girls asks, are you going to Mehra's party? Now this girl, she says probably. Then the other girl said, hang on, perhaps it has been postponed. Whoever told you that? It seems that Mehra's mother is seriously ill and she is likely to be shifted to a hospital. Right? So over here the word, like the girl asked, are you going to Mehra's party? Probably, like she might go, she might not go, but she herself is not certain about it, right? Now next picture you see, oh dear, what's gone wrong? She looked quite okay last week. Perhaps she's been a bad, had a heat stroke. She spent the whole day out in the sun on Sunday. Now that these girls are talking about Mrs. Mehra, that who is not well. So well, quite probable. Then let's check with Mehra. No. So she's advising, if you are not certain, then let's check it out with her, her daughter. Now, hi Mehra, everything okay? One of the girls gives a call. Oh Deepti, sorry I couldn't take your call this morning. So then she says, not quite. Mom has been unwell since Monday. Probably it's a case of heat stroke. So she is also not sure. She says maybe it is due to the heat stroke, because she had spent the whole day working in the under the sun. Okay. Now over here, he too thinks the same. Now then she says, what does the doctor say? He too thinks the same. She seems to be dehydrated. Maybe we will shift her to a hospital this afternoon. Perhaps she needs to be monitored regularly. Well, we may have to postpone the party. Perhaps we could call up someone and tell them if it's not a bother. Now she says, she relates that the doctor also thinks so because she has been dehydrated and they have to shift her in the hospital. Right. Now, Deepti says, I'm sorry to hear that. Is it anything I can help you out? Now it's a courtesy. When somebody is in trouble, we should always offer ourselves to help someone. So did this Deepti did. That's fine, perhaps. I'd have done the same if I were you. I'll call up everyone. Then she says that it's okay. Like you don't worry. I'll call up everyone and tell that the party has been postponed. Now, next page you see there are two boys standing. Now, did you hear about Deepak? No, what happened to him? He's not well. He's probably down with chicken pox. Well, maybe he's down with chicken pox, but he's not certain about it. Oh no! How will he take his exam? Well, he may have to give them later. Maybe the doctor will allow him to write his exam. Why? No way. Why? Because he is probably infect other children. I see. Perhaps the school may ask him to take it later. Most likely, can't he be promoted to next class on the basis of his earlier scores? Quite possible. It was done in the last of Samir last year. Well, it seems quite possible. Now over here again, like the two friends are talking that one of his friend Deepak is having chicken pox and he is not able to give his final exam. So they think that he might come to give the exam if the school allows. But why will the school allow? Because if he comes, he will be infecting all the other children. So that the school will not take this thing chances. So what they were discussing, these two friends of his, that maybe the school will let him will promote him and to another class on the basis of the exam which he has scored previously. So now they say yes, quite possible. Like it may be, like maybe the school management will agree on this. Now let's see the next picture dialogue. Our new house is almost ready and we will probably shift during vacation. Now this girl is telling to someone, is a friend, that they are going to shift, maybe they will shift during the vacation to their new house. I hope you are not moving in May. Perhaps not, most likely the middle of June. How will you come to school? The school bus may not be going so far. It looks like I might have to change the school. Oh no, please don't do that. Can't you possibly come with your father every morning? He's been driving this way, won't he? Yes, but my return will be an issue. Wait a minute. Do you know Ankita is in class 10. She lives in your township. She gets dropped and picked up every day. Can't you possibly join her? That's a good idea, but my father may not like it. Right? Now over here they are talking about the word possibly is being used, which possibility means a thing that may happen. Right? It's a hope. Right? Now last over here it is said, we express possibilities and probabilities by using certain words like possible, quite possible, maybe, perhaps, seems like. These words like possible, quite possible, maybe, perhaps and seems likely, they are all used instead of possibilities and probabilities. Right, children? Number 62, we'll see some words right over here. We use words such as right, I see, okay, sure, I might, with a falling tone indicates that we have to understand, like I see, okay, I might, है ना? Sure, sure, sure. Now these are the tones that is falling down, which shows to the tells the other person that we both we agree to it. You agree to it. Now, when we speak really means with a rising tone, we say that you are encouraging the speaker to speak. Oh my God! Don't tell me it happened. Really, it happened. That means I am encouraging the speaker who is narrating the story to speak more about it. Right. Now let's see the next. I'm thinking to buy the latest car by Ronan. That probably cost you a bomb, right? So over here exactly is that when you are speaking, the modulation of the voice, that is high and low voice indicates something. High voice indicates that you agree to it. Low voice indicates that you disagree to it sometime, or you are not sure of that what the other person is talking about. Now over here, next you see my mother threw me out of the house last night when I arrived late from the party. Go and try your luck. Maybe she'll let you in now. Go and try your luck. Maybe she'll let you in now. Now, third one, should we take a boat out to that tiny island and explore what's there? The forecast is not very good. The thunderstorm seems possible anytime. Right. So over here, like the modulation, all depends while you are speaking, all depends on the modulation of your voice. It gives a person surety about it, yeah, unsurety about it. Right. How long will it take to get the visa? I should get it almost probably by the end of the month. Where do you think they would be now? That's great. It's getting late. It's quite possible that their bus is delayed due to bad weather. I wonder how long we should wait. Perhaps we could have a cup of tea while we are waiting for them. Now let's see the next what dialogues they are saying, how to use the dialogues which is indicating possibility and probability. It is in page number 62. The question is over here, how much a new language can I learn in this thing? Again I am reading. How much of the new language can I learn in 3 months long course? Now how to answer? Most probably it will take 2 years to learn a new language fluently, right? So it depends how you speak to show the word possibility and probability. Do you think younger people can learn a new language faster than the older people? That will probably depends upon man to man, right? Person to person, because every person is not equal. Some people have a quick grasping. They pick up very fast by listening only. Some people mug. Some people they takes 2 days to mug and then they write and then they mug and they after 2 days they forget. So it is depending upon how much time the person is taking to pick up. Why do people like to keep their old toys with them? Perhaps because it is a memory of their childhood. Now even I have a memory of my childhood. I have toys. I have my favorite story books, painting books, or the art which I have drawn. I have kept it. So I did for my son. I have kept his first dress dress, his first toy, everything. It is a sort of a memory. I hope your mama must have kept for you also. Ask your mama. She will take it out from her old stock bag and give it to you. Roughly how much will it cost to study at one of the IT? Then you can answer. I would say it would probably cost about 2k, 2 lakhs. So it depends, like what is the fees of the this thing IT. Do you think the school will declare holiday for the cricket match? Maybe half day, because it is a final, and it is between India and some other name you can say. Doctor, do you think my mother will be completely all right after the operation? I am not sure. I can probably guarantee 90% your mother will recover from after the operation. So we express possibilities and probabilities by using expression such as that's probable, maybe, seems, possible, perhaps, probably, looks, seems, likely. Right? These are the words which we can use instead of possibilities and probabilities. Right? Now next is a similar word we will see is that likely. Right? Likely. So children, now go through the chapter. Now since you are in class 9, you should be able to speak and express yourself, and able to write also. Now children, these are the topics. Right? These are the topics which you can frame it out together and speak. Suppose if it is given, what would you do if you were given a chance to pick up a clock back? So the points are given. Go back to my childhood. Would be totally lost. Would like to go ahead, not back. And anything like topics which is given, you can speak on it. Then would try to be better in class 6 final exam. Would like to spend more time with my grandfather. So all these these points are there. It is related. You can speak on any of it when a topic is given to you. If a chance is given to you to put the clock back, time machine, right? So you can talk about that you want to go back to your childhood. I know that you would like to go back to your childhood because every children want to escape, and moreover you are in class 9, so you want to escape from your studies, right now? So next topic is given. What would you do if you found a wallet with lots of money but no name or address in it? Now while walking down on a road, you find a wallet with lots of money in it, but there is no information about that person. No address, no phone number, nothing. Though what you are going to do? So are you going to donate that money, or you give it to the police, or you will keep it and will not tell anyone and spend it on yourself? So either of it. So if any such topic is given to you, you can speak on such thing. You can be able to speak on these views, these thoughts, right? So that's it for the day. Have a good day and study hard.